A blessed day again to everyone. I am back to talk about managing supply chain inventories. With the rise of supply chain management, the role of inventory in the production, distribution, and retail environment has undergone drastic change. Inventory management is no longer viewed as a narrow discipline centered on calculating lot sizes and economic order quantities and expediting replenishment and customer orders. Increasingly, academics and practitioners alike are assigning inventory management a central role in driving marketplace leadership and integrating with strategic competitive planning. Effective inventory management in the 21st century is concerned with overall inventory performance and customer service level, as inventory affects not just individual companies but the entire supply chain. Decisions concerning inventory cannot be made in isolations from strategic channel network objectives. Instead, inventory is considered an aggregate resource that spans and connects all nodes in the supply chain network and directs them to aggregate customer service goals. Reevaluating the role of inventory requires a thorough understanding of the nature, functions, costs associated with inventory. Inventory is defined as raw materials, components used in the assembly process, and finished goods. The fundamental reason why inventory is held is to serve as a buffer, decoupling supply chain participants from the vagaries of customer demand on one hand and limitations in the delivery capacities of supplier on the other. In managing inventory buffers, planner must be diligent in determining and tracking costs arising out of both operations and inventory decisions. Informed inventory cost decisions are necessary if the firm is to be run effectively and efficiently. Control of inventory costs is paramount if supply channels are to exploit new markets, optimize informations, communication systems, and explore new forms of transportations and strengthen the integration of the supply chain. Without effective inventory control, the supply channel network will experience cost discrepancies and poor customer service. Individual companies can vastly improve inventory accuracies with the use of several control tools. Fundamental is a clear definition of the transaction control points in the flow of inventory as it moves through the supply channel. Transaction control not only ensure that material is properly accounted for, but it also serves as a gateway to minimizing inventories shrinkage and mismatching of materials and costs as they flow through the systems. ABC classification and cycle counting are additional tools that are employed by inventory managers. Finally, the true test of channel inventory is how well it measures up to customer service and inventory investment performance objectives. The ability to provide the right product at the right time and place desired by the customer at the lowest possible inventory investment is the foremost objective of every node in the channel network. In developing effective customer service performance measurements, companies must be precise in defining the relations of perceived customers' wants and the ability of their channel of supply to match those wants. In the final analysis, customer service and inventory performance measurements cannot be considered independently of each other. Once again, thank you very much for joining me today. See you next week, and bye bye.